Okay, I give you okay, I give you a system kan with the input ut, and then the input go to a system, and then you get the output. So I give you the output is tiga dua enam enam lima kot lima. Okay. Alright eh? Okay. Okay. So now I give you this one ut, go to the system, and this is the output. Okay. After you everything, this is the signal plus with the system equation kan. Because you can see that yt is a combination of the input signal and the system. And this equation you have signal plus system. And so now the question is find the output yt. Because normally if you give something to a system, what we are interested is only at the output. Because we want to see what's happened. We want to know what is the output kan. We don't care what's happened to other thing. We just care about the output. Let's say if you give your money to ASB, the most important thing is you want to know what is the dividend. Yeah. The dividend is 5.75 for this year. Okay. This is the ultimate thing that you want to know. Okay. Similar with this thing. What you get is the output. So that's why the question is find the output. Okay. So by using the Laplace table will be given in the final exam. Don't worry about it. So you don't need to bring toil and so on, because the formula is given in the appendix. Okay. By using the Laplace, the d square yt over dt square, I give you. So you not need to. You can remember d square. The d square, the differentiate about 2 times, it will give you s square. Because in Laplace, d over dt, you get s. If d square dt square, you get s square. d cube dt cube, you get s cube. Okay, in Laplace lah. How about the integration, integral, yeah, integral kan? If differentiation d over dt, you get s. The integration, you get, what is it? 1 over s. Okay, actually 1 over s is referred to the integrate. S refer to the differentiation. Okay, so that's why d square over dt square, you get s square. The only thing you not change yet, yt become ys. Okay, and then also, how about this one? What do you think? 5s y s plus 6 y s equal to 7 ut become us. Okay, this is, you will replace it later lah, ut become us, or you can get what yang ut become 1 over s tadi kan, but it will use it later lah. Okay, so now what we want to know is ys. I would like to make it you not confused. I would like to remove ut from the question, so you will not have us lah. So the equation equal to 7 only. Okay, I remove the ut from the question, so equal to 7 lah. Okay. Okay, so now we just need to factorize ys, and then what you get? S square plus 5s plus 6 equal to 7, and finally ys equal to 7 divided by s square plus 5s plus 6. 32 boleh ke? Boleh 32. Okay, alright. So now you have ys kan. Now you want to get, the question is you need to find the yt, betul? You have ys, now you want to find the yt, so you need to inverse Laplace. So if you want to inverse Laplace, you need to use the Laplace table. Okay, so if you look at the Laplace table, do you find anything that s square something like this in this form in the Laplace table? If you look at the WhatsApp group, ada tak? Tak ada kan? No. So that's why you need to change this form into something that similar information in the Laplace table. So one of the way you use the partial fraction, because you have 7 over s square plus 5s plus 6 is also equal to 7 divided by s plus 3, s plus 2. And same thing, you factorize at the denominator part, and then the 7 over s plus 3, s plus 2, if you use the partial fraction, it becomes a over s plus 3 plus b s plus 2. Okay, I give you 2 minutes, 2 minutes before we proceed. Okay, boleh? Can I proceed? I just realized, Alvin, why you join this class, Alvin? Saja-saja. Okay, good. Okay, so you can see that in this form kan, a over s plus 3 plus b over s plus 2, if you look at the Laplace table, so which is identical with this information? Number what? Which number? Number 5 kan? Betul? So you can use the number 5 information. So it means that, is it we are in the right way? Is it we are at the correct road? Betul kan? So let's say if you try to factorize this one thing, but you cannot find this form anything in the Laplace table, so it means that something wrong lah. Betul tak? So what you need to do, you need to find the A and B value. Okay, right now, firstly, you need to write the whole question first. This form. Now you want to solve for A. You want to solve for A. So what you need to do, you need to write all the question first. And then you see that what is under A? S plus 3. So you just clean S plus 3. Okay? Under A is S plus 3 kan? And then after that, since under A is S plus 3, you just make it equal to 0. So S equal to, so you just replace S with negative 3. 7, negative 3 plus 2, you get 7 divided by negative 1 become negative 7. Okay. So now, you already know your A value. So, now you want to solve B. As I mentioned again, write down all the question. 7, S plus 2, S plus 3. What is under B? So you just erase S plus 2. Kan? Erase S plus 2. And since under B is S plus 2, you just make it equal to 0. S equal to negative 2. You just replace S equal to negative 2. And then you get 7 divided by negative 2 plus 3. 7 divided by 1, it become 7. Macam tu saja. Okay, but this is only you can do it if everything is power of 1, power of 1 lah. If the question is S plus 2, S plus 3 multiply S plus 2 power of 2, you cannot use this one. But please believe me, I will not give you a very hard question lah. Very simple, straightforward lah. Is it correct, Alvin? I mean for control. No. Okay, so now you know that this is equal to negative 7 plus with 7. So now, is it you can use the Laplace table to get the answer? Okay, so where is I need to write down at this place. Okay, so you know that the ys equal to negative 7 over s plus 3 plus 7 over s plus 2. Then you use the inverse Laplace, you get, what is the answer? But your friend want to wash the hand. Yeah. So if you use the Laplace table given in the WhatsApp group, number 5. Number 5. So what is the answer? Negative 7 exponential negative 3t and then plus 7 exponential negative 2t. Macam itu saja. So this is the yt. So when you try to simulate this equation by using MATLAB and so on, so finally I believe you will get a graph lah. Yt, t, something like this. Kan? So this is the output of the system.